Hey guys, it's Saturday. I'm up here at Myers Metal Detectors, and Russ is here from Fisher, and he's got all the detectors set up. He's going to be talking about each one. There's a lot of people showing up here as well. Jeff from Treasure Talk. So let me show you around a little bit, and I'm going to be picking up another detector. This is going to be a great little backup detector. I've got some friends that have no experience whatsoever in metal detecting, so I'm looking for something that's turn on, easy to show them how it works, and get them into the hobby of metal detecting. So guys, this is it, man. It's 11 o'clock. People are starting to come in up here at Myers Metal Detectors, and like I said, Jeff is here from Fisher Labs, got it set up with a tent, and he's going to be showing a few of the detectors as well, talking about some of the different products.
No, we don't have one like that.
We got some set out on the table. They'll be answering questions as well. They're giving out a little swag. And in fact, Phil with Myers Detectors has, when she signed in, he's got a little golf towel that you can get as well. And they got. All right, guys, I just picked up the Fisher F-44. It's gonna be a backup. I got a grandson coming. He can turn this thing on, show him how to use it in 5 minutes. Got a couple of buddies wanting to go as well, and I think this would be the right choice. Not real complicated, and got a 5-year warranty on it. Heck yeah, man. Got a new pinpointer, F-Pulse. About time to update the one I had, so we'll check this out and I'll let you know how it works as well. Hey guys, had a great time meeting Jeremy and Mann from Finding Alabama. I suggest you check out his YouTube site. He was a blast. Hey guys, we just picked up a Fisher F-44, so Russ is going to tell me a little bit about it.
All right, so what we got here is Fisher's F-44. This is a weatherproof metal detector. It comes with an 11-inch. This one's a little dirty because we've been using it.
Right.
But this comes with an 11-inch teardrop coil. It's a concentric elliptical coil is what that is. The really neat thing about that is it's got tight separation up front, so you can get that tip in and among tight spaces. Yeah. And you can separate up front. The other really neat thing about this is that it is it runs off of 2 AA batteries, so it's very cheap to run. You're going to get about 25 to 30 hours. A lot of people don't realize about this machine, but you take this top off like I did, stick it in there, pry that handle up.
Pull right out. Oh, that is nice. I like that. I wasn't aware of that.
Nobody is. I see people struggle with that, and nobody's aware of that. Another great thing about that is it's got a waterproof connector here. Okay. And a lot of times it's really difficult to get in there with machines that we've seen, but with this extended cap there, twist it right in. It's very easy to get to tighten that up. This unit has pinpoint, it has true all metal mode as well, and it has manual ground balance as well as ground grab. So you can quickly ground grab. If you like to run it a little bit hot, a little positive, you can go in there and adjust it a couple points positive. You can also, if you wanted to run a little negative, you can adjust it down. Another great thing about this machine is it is fully manual ground balance, so if you're hunting the beach in the wet sand, you can get down there and manual ground balance down to salt with that.
Awesome. I'm glad I got it.
Yeah, and here too, some of us older guys, I know you've probably got that, your grandson's going to use this a lot.
Yes, he's going to use it, yeah.
So he won't have this problem, but older guys like me, I don't know about you, I can hear some pitches better than other pitches, tones. So you can go in here and manually change those tones to a pitch that you might be able to hear a little better in that high tone. So there's a lot of customability about this machine.
I like it. I love how big the display is too.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was going to show you. It's just got a massive display there.
Yeah. Awesome. And the right price.
It is, yeah. Yeah, I think we're doing $309 on this machine, right?
Yeah, that was good. Well, thanks, man. Appreciate it very much, buddy. All right, buddy. All right, they're shaking up.
Can you go it?
All right, guys, getting ready for the big drawing here. He's turning it. All right, so the first drawing is for... All right, here we go, here we go. Made here in beautiful, sunny Florida. Okay, number 508. Look at there, right behind me. Woo! Man. Drawing number 2, come on. Right here, baby. Haul it. And it is Rick Tumbleson. God, that guy's lucky. Come on, man. Yeah.
Thank you. Go home. Down in front. Like a hospital gown.
There we go. There's a lucky winner. Fisher t-shirt.
All right.
All
All
right.
right, this is the last one for a while.
Very nice.
Sid and Kathryn. Now, for those of you guys who don't know, we've had her on the Treasure Talk show before, and she salvaged with Mel Fisher. And she's donated this coin book here, which is a really cool book because it gives you all the information on the different coins that are found here off the coast of Florida.
Really nice, folks.
And the winner
Come
is...
on. Come on.
Gary Gross.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Can you tell me a little bit about this book? I just won that. I want to put this on my YouTube channel, if you don't mind.
Well, I'm so glad.
So tell me a little bit about the book.
I'm KT Budde-Jone. I wrote this book, Coins of the Lost Galleons, and it talks all about the markings of the Spanish colonial coins that we have found on the bottom of the ocean. Many from the Atocha and Margarita era, so we're talking late 1500s, early 1600s. And then 1715 fleet is, of course, where Mel started, up off of Fort Pierce and Vero Beach. And these coins are represented here in these diagrams, giving you a basic idea of what a perfect coin would look like.
Perfect.
But of course, the coins aren't perfect. They were handmade, rolled out like cookie dough, and then chiseled to the proper weight. That's where the term chiseler comes from, someone who chiseled off too much, because he got to keep what he was over the weight. Probably the most important, as you found out in your Q coin, is Quadra, who made your coin. These are the dates and the names of the people who coincide with the assayer's mark, so you get to know who made your coin. This is an emerald button off of somebody's cape. The whole thing is a button, not just the emerald, but the gold mount. This was probably the era of late Henry VIII, early Elizabeth I.
So this was an example.
No, these are the ones we found.
Okay.
We found the original 4, and then eventually 67 of them were found.
That is. What else do you have here on your neck? What are these?
Well, this is a gold coin from the 1715 fleet, Santa Fe de Bogota, and this is an Atocha coin. This was made in 1574 in Potosi, Peru.
Give me some good luck.
Yes, and this was Philip II, who happened to have married Henry VIII's daughter, Mary, Bloody Mary.
Oh my goodness.
And so all of that's related
Good history.
to each other. That history is very, very incestual, shall we say. Bringing up the first coin chest, we found over
18 intact chests.
18 intact chests, over 200,000 silver coins. Not all of them like this. Of course, here's the day we found the main pile. That's coming up on the anniversary this next week.
Right.
And there's Sid and myself and Mel all celebrating.
Oh yes.
We look like a bunch of dirtbags, don't we?
No.
And here's Sid with a coin on the bottom. When they're found individually, like this one, they're black with silver sulfide and calcareous incretion, but they will clean up. The ones that are inside the coin chest, like the 18 that we found, are perfect like this. This came up this perfect.
Guys, what a pleasure it was meeting Sid and Kathryn Jones. They come out to Myers Metal Detectors to talk about their book. I would encourage you to visit their Facebook site right there, and also don't miss their YouTube site. It's got some fantastic videos, amazing. I watched every one of them. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next dig.